What makes Mandela Trilogy particularly special is that in the piece you're going to see 3 different phases of Mandela's life with a soundtrack of his life. So in other words, the first scene, first act, will be when he is growing up in the Transkei, and the soundtrack to his life there will be the traditional music of Southern Africa. The second act brings us the jazzy, breezy feel of the 1950s with a real swing. And in the third act, we look at contemporary operatic style, because what better form to tell the story of his incarceration into 3 prisons than using opera as the medium of expression. We know how to love it, know how to die it. Come on down to the hotspot in town.